The deeper we look into the ocean's abyss, the more we realize how little we truly know. Down in the crushing dark, where our own maps fade into uncertainty, lives an intelligence so profoundly different from our own, it forces us to question the very origins of life on Earth. This creature, a master of disguise and a biological enigma, exists in a realm between myth and science. It is an ancient consciousness wrapped in a form that defies our understanding of evolution. Today, we journey into the strange and unsettling world of the octopus. Number 5. The distributed mind. We perceive our consciousness as a single point, a voice inside our heads. But for the octopus, the concept of a central self dissolves. Its nervous system is radically different from any other intelligent animal. While it does have a central brain, more than 2/3 of its neurons are not located in its head. Instead, they are distributed throughout its 8 semi-autonomous arms. Each arm can think, taste, and act on its own, solving complex problems without any input from the central brain. Imagine your limbs having their own will, their own memories. This decentralized network allows the octopus to process information in parallel, a biological computer unlike anything on this planet. It's not just one mind in one body. It's a committee of minds, a confederation of consciousness, all working in eerie, silent concert. Number 4. The alien genome. In 2015, scientists sequenced the first full octopus genome, and what they found was staggering. Its DNA is a mosaic of complexity with 33,000 protein-coding genes, far more than a human. More unsettling, however, was the discovery of a vast number of jumping genes, or transposons, which can rearrange themselves on the genome. This high level of genetic mobility is unheard of in the animal kingdom, but the true mystery lies in a process called RNA editing. Unlike most organisms, where DNA is the sacred, unchanging blueprint, the octopus actively edits its RNA messages on a massive scale. It is, in essence, rewriting its own biology in real time, adapting its neural chemistry to its environment on the fly. This ability is so extreme, so far outside the standard model of evolution, that some scientists have cautiously described its genome as alien. Number 3. The disposable brain. An octopus's life is short, often just a year or two, and at the end of it, something strange occurs. After mating, both males and females enter a programmed state of decline. They stop eating, their bodies begin to break down, and they waste away. This process of senescence is so rapid and deliberate, it appears to be a biological self-destruct sequence. Researchers have traced it to the optic glands, small organs near the octopus's eyes. If these glands are removed, the octopus will abandon its suicidal fast, start eating again, and live for months longer. It seems the animal carries the code for its own termination within it, a kill switch embedded in its biology. Why would such a sophisticated organism evolve to simply give up? It is a puzzle that suggests the individual octopus is merely a temporary vessel for its genetic code, an intelligent tool designed to be discarded. Number 2. Masters of disappearance. The octopus's ability to camouflage is legendary, but the reality is more profound than simple color matching. It doesn't just change color, it transforms its entire being. Using specialized cells called chromatophores, it can instantaneously alter its skin's color, pattern, and even texture, perfectly mimicking rocks, sand, or seaweed. It can create moving patterns to dazzle predators or hypnotize prey. But how it achieves this is a mystery. Octopuses are colorblind. They cannot see the vibrant hues they so perfectly replicate. They are somehow perceiving the color of their surroundings through their skin itself, using light-sensitive proteins called opsins, which are usually found only in the eye. They don't just see the world. They feel it, they become it, an intelligence that wears its environment like a cloak, becoming a living ghost in the water. Number 1. The panspermia hypothesis. This brings us to the most unsettling theory of all. In 2018, a paper published by 33 scientists proposed a radical idea that the octopus might not be entirely of this world. They argued that the Cambrian explosion, a period 540 million years ago when life on Earth suddenly diversified, could have been triggered by extraterrestrial retroviruses. These viruses, they proposed, arrived on a comet and infected a primitive squid population, causing a cascade of genetic mutations. This, they claim, could explain the octopus's bizarre collection of genes, its massive brain, its camera-like eyes, and its otherworldly abilities, features that seem to appear in the fossil record with no clear evolutionary predecessors. Is the octopus a product of Earth's evolution alone? Or is it a whisper of something far older, a biological message from the cosmos delivered to our oceans hundreds of millions of years ago? The truth doesn't disappear. It simply hides in plain sight, waiting in the deep. The octopus is more than just an animal. It is a living question mark, a puzzle box of flesh and consciousness that reflects the vast, strange, and unknown nature of the universe itself. What we see in its alien eyes is perhaps a mirror, reminding us that the greatest mysteries are not in the stars, but in the dark, silent waters of our own world. Thank you for watching. If you seek to understand the hidden connections that shape our reality, subscribe and follow for more.